a drug addict. Do you think I'll stoop myself so low to be with someone like you? Now leave this house, leave my compound before I call the police. And I'm not joking.
I heard you said police? That sounds interesting. Well?
Hello, gentlemen. Everything okay?
Yes, baby, everything is all right. You know, let's go inside. So we'll finish up our gist, right?
You don't want to tell him the truth.
What truth are you talking about? What the hell are you saying?
What truth?
Baby, listen to me. Don't mind him. He's just a friend. I'll tell you about him later. Let's go.
She is.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.